I witnessed in Addis Ababa a few years ago. We landed from Dubai and we were taking off to Harare. We landed, we got off the flight. I met a few people on that plane, mashallah, and there was a plane going to Kenya. It was going to Tanzania and Kenya, if I'm not mistaken, and it was before ours. So people rushed to that flight because they needed to catch the connection. Ours was a little bit later. I saw a brother come to the gate a little bit late, and he was crazy, mad, angry. He said, it's 1 minute, the flight is still here, the doors are still open, everything is here, let me on this flight. They said, sorry. No, and he started saying whatever he wanted to say. He lost his cool. I tell you what, that flight took off. Sometime into its journey, they crashed and everybody passed away. The same brother thanking Allah after you were yelling at the staff for your own fault, whatever it was. He was delayed at security or wherever it was. But thank Allah. Why? You don't know the future. Allah knows the future.